What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this auto ignition gas stove from Prestige, which I bought yesterday for my mother, because my mother had a fascination about this auto ignition gas stove, which she never told me that, but I understood when she watches all the cooking shows on TV, and there they all use this auto ignition gas stove that makes the ticking noise when you turn it on. And my mom used to tell me about that, so I can understand she likes this thing, but she never told me about this. You can say this was her hidden wish to see this gas stove or to use it for once like that. So I gave her this as a gift on her birthday, and she was so much happy to see it and to receive it. And so that's it. Now let's quickly open it up. But first of all, let me tell you that it was already once open, because I didn't buy it from any online shopping. I bought it from Big Bazaar. So after the purchase, they open it and they stamp the warranty card that stays inside this box. So now let's open it up again for you guys. Oh, and let me tell you the price. This MRP. Show you the MRP. It's 15,995, but I got it for 11,000. Well, that's it. At the top you get this card, which has a measurement for cutting the granite, marble or whatever, to use this as a hob. You know, if you know what a hob is. And then at the top you get all this burners and all the stuff, and also get battery. It's I think size D or double B size battery for auto ignition. So let's keep it aside. And here is the warranty card. And here is the stamp. So, and also get this thing for cleaning the burners. Now let's get this thing out of the box. Man, it's so heavy. So this is it, and the top side, it's the glass body, and it's a short glass, and these are the three knobs for three burners, and these are the igniters, the white ones you can see. And now, first of all, let's insert the battery first at the bottom. There it is, you can see that. Here it is. This is the battery compartment, and all you need to do is just the battery in. Close the door. That's it. It's done. And now, when you press the button, start igniting. You can hear the noise. Okay, so that's it guys, it's the final product ready to use, and it's very simple to assemble. One small burner and two big burners, and it's ready to use. You can see, you can hear the noise of igniters. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing video of this Prestige hobtop, and hope you're gonna like it. And I'm gonna use it. I mean, my mom is gonna use it, and after a few days, and I'm gonna give you a review of this thing and about the performance of this and how convenient is this. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.